Most certainly, one of the most bullish sectors in the upcoming Bitcoin bull market in terms of altcoins are going to be AI coins. But what AI coin do you need to be buying? What are good projects? What is good utility you need to be looking at? I will be discussing that in today's update video because I have not only found a coin that is looking very bullish on the charts, but also fundamentally speaking is looking extremely bullish right now here. So on today's update video, I will be talking about an AI project that got loads and loads of potential to explode in the upcoming bull market, which is actually even the first AI coin that is deflationary right now in this market. So without any further ado, today I'm going to be doing a deep dive in Soldius AITECH, better known as AITECH as the ticker, because I have personally seen it already quite a lot on Twitter. I've seen their tweets come by quite a lot here, and actually right now I decided to make a video about them. They got mentioned in Forbes, Yahoo Finance, Bitcoin.com, many other of these big news sites. They all got mentioned over there, and that actually was the reason how I found out about this project. I did my research in it, and apparently this is the first AI project with a deflationary supply here. So that is of course already very attractive if you are going to be, let's say, investing in it for the longer term perspective, because as time goes by here, less and less supply is going to come in circulation, and that ultimately is going to be basically motivating holders to actually hold, and that is ultimately going to be catapulting the price action higher. And currently this project is sitting around $100 million worth of market cap, with a fully diluted market cap of $180 million. They're doing very great trading volumes, and what I really instantly saw here is that they've got loads and loads of holders. To be exact, they have currently got more than 40,000 holders, and that is quite a lot for such a project with only $100 million market cap. So yes, already people are starting to recognize and see the potential of the project and start to get in towards it. And especially since my thesis is that in the next coming bull run, AI coins are going to be the best performance out of the market together with meme coins, I think such projects, especially with the deflationary aspect, could do extraordinary well. And let me actually also get in towards the use case of this project, because they have actually built a massive data center in Europe of about 8,000 square feet, where they can basically generate all the GPU power necessary for their AI project they're currently doing. They've got multiple things here what they're doing. You can go through their website yourself. It's absolutely an insane website in my opinion, like how they build it, how it looks like. But basically, to quickly go through all the utility they have, they've got a launchpad where you can of course launch your own cryptocurrencies on. They've got a marketplace, an AI powered marketplace where you can buy all kinds of AI things, which is of course in my opinion definitely a thing of the future and a thing you do want to be needing. Also, like competitors like Render, etc., you can rent GPU power. So they're doing so many things here all in one project. So basically, if you're bullish on AI, it is definitely AITECH you want to be investing in and basically doing your research in. Of course, always do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. Make sure to do your own research before buying into any of these things here. Anyways, to give you even more insights about the utility, they've got an DAO governance with voting power for all the holders that actually stake their tokens. So if you're staking your tokens, you've actually got something to say in the project, what the direction in the project is and how they're going to be potentially doing things in the future. They've got rewards for staking your tokens and rewards for popular AI applications on their AI marketplace here. So a lot of things here that you can do with this project here. And what really also got myself very excited about the project itself as well is the listings, because I went through do my research, right? And the first things I look at, okay, how is the liquidity looking? How is the holders doing? How is the community doing? And how are the markets? They are listed on all the big exchanges. You can scroll through here. They've listed on so many. You can see it also here on their website. You can see they're listed on so many exchanges that basically it is very accessible for people out there. And if the AI hype is really going to get started, there's going to be a large inflow of people coming in towards it. And that is really what you need for such a project to actually really explode, right? So that is very good in my opinion. The listings are very strong. Volume is very good here. And yeah, that is just always all it needs, in my opinion, to actually blow up here. And then I started to look at the chart. Of course, first of all, this is quite a new project. It launched in 2023. And like I've always said, projects that are recently listed are probably going to be the best performance out there. And also, if you look at this chart, ultimately, this chart is looking very, very bullish. It had actually already a big bull market in 2024, where it increased with 3,400% here, which is of course quite massive if you would ask me. Then it went in towards a massive downward sloping trend here, but this is exactly the kinds of trends you want to buy into. And especially in my opinion, since Bitcoin is right now looking like it is about to create another massive leg higher, it could be very great for AI tech right now and altcoins in general to really explode here. So it consolidated downwards. Now we're starting to see that reversal really happening because we've been seeing lower lows every single time. And now what we're seeing here is basically a reversal structure. First of all, we created a double bottom and then we created higher low after higher low. And I believe that this is a very good trend to be looking at right now here. And once this is going to be reversing, it's probably going to be doing extraordinary well here. I mean, if it's already going to be pushing back towards the previous range high in the market, it's going to be already a 450% gain here, which is quite great here. But honestly, I've got so much trust in the AI sector in the upcoming bull market that it's going to be one of the best performers out there. So that is why I am currently not fading this project right now. Also on the 3-day time frame, it is also looking very great in my opinion. We had a massive rally higher. Now we're finally seeing the consolidation and that bottom formation, which is the most important one here. And that is ultimately going to be catapulting us higher. I mean, you can start to see that we're creating somewhat of a W pattern, but really what I think here is that as soon as we break above this high right here, which is previously ranked, provided major support, here resistance, here resistance. If we break above this high, I think we're going to just explode to like new all-time highs very quickly. And we're looking at this upper sloping support line right here. And I believe that we're likely going to be keeping to bounce from off this level and just squeeze up higher from off this point. So ultimately, I think the chart is looking very good. The project is looking very good. Utility is looking good. Everything is, in my opinion, looking very good. Make sure to do your own research on the project yourself as well. I will leave all the links in today's video description below, guys. So if you did enjoy this, if you learned something from it, don't forget to slap that like button on today's update video. Share this video with your friends and family. And with that being said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.